picked up this precision screwdriver set from Klein. I didn't have a little set to go in my my electrician's tool bag, so I saw these and it looked like it was a pretty good buy here. And I got this at Lowe's. Lowe's is now is a big Klein handler nowadays. They used to sell stuff at Home Depot, but they've kind of switched over to Lowe's. So you can get this at Lowe's or online. And Klein generally makes very good tools. So you don't usually have, you usually can't go wrong with buying one of them. So there's a, buying anything from Klein. This is spring loaded. You push it across there. I think you push it across there. All right, so what am I doing wrong? I would have thought that would open that. Is it glued? Is it taped? Or I'm just being inept? Oh, I'm being inept. Okay. So you hold the bottom, you pull that, and then you open open the lid by doing that. And here you got the bit holder. And if you're not familiar with precision screwdrivers, there's always the top of it rotates so that when you're holding it, you can put that on the palm of your hand and just do this. With the smaller screws, if you did it like a regular screwdriver where you were kind of turning the whole thing a lob on about, it makes it difficult to keep it on the screw because the slots are so small. So this way you can it just plants in there and you just turn it like this. So, and the bits here are, let's see, I'll show you the card. Here's the card as to what they have. So it has a wide variety of stuff in here, and there's, let's see what we got here. We got, well, there's a number of things, and there's the usual, you know, Phillips and slotted. We got some, what else is in here? We got some some Torx, some square drive Robertsons. There's actually got a triangular drive one on it. A couple of security bits. Is that going to focus? Probably not. There we go. A couple of security bits in here, and just a wide variety of stuff. So this should take care of any. Got some triangular bits. I had not seen them before. This is something new. I had not seen this kind before. See these down here? I don't do a lot of electronic work, but I was not familiar with those, so that's kind of interesting. And we got some security hex too. There's a little hole in the middle of them, on the middle of the bit. It has to go down on top of a little protrusion on there for certain types of things. So this is electronic specialty things, some, you know, for computers and so forth. I basically bought it to have the smaller bit sizes in the hex and the Torx and the Phillips and the regular slotted ones. That was my primary interest in this, but it does have some other items for odds and ends if you're doing computer work, working on server racks, that kind of thing. You'll probably find some use in some of these. But it does go in here. It has a, let's see how the bits go into the bit into it. Okay, there is a little magnetic action there, so that's good. So it does hold the bit securely. It has the famous Klein handle with the rubber grip on it and the yellow plastic. So that should be a good addition to the box. I won't use it very often, but when you're out and about and you need to do something with a tiny bit, I don't usually carry anything that small with my regular bits. So that'll be good for the my electric tool pouch. I'll put that in there and it'll come in handy once in a while. So thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing, and you take care of yourself. Bye-bye.